Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you some tips to avoid fat-looking nails, which is a common mistake made by beginners to gel nails. Have you ever applied too much gel or had the gel run off, making your nails look thick and fat? If that's the case, please try the method introduced in this video. Just be aware of certain things when applying the gel. You can achieve slim, slender nails, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. After applying gel nails, have you ever looked at your finished nails? And though they didn't look beautiful and were completely different from the finish of the nail salon? And do you know why? The difference is because you applied too much gel, or the gel ran off, causing the shape of your nails to collapse, making your nails look fat. Look at these two nails. Even though they are both the same French manicure, the one on the right looks slender and beautiful, but the one on the left looks fat. This is one of the reasons why they don't look beautiful. This is especially common among beginners. This thick, fat state not only affects the appearance, but also the strength and durability. In this article, I will introduce the causes of this thick, fat appearance and how to deal with it, so please refer to it when applying gel nails. First of all, the first reason why nails look fat is applying too much gel. You might think that applying more gel will make your nails look better at once, or that you want your nails to look plump, but if you apply too much gel, it will not make your nails look plump, but rather make them look thick and fat. This is a typical mistake made by beginners in particular. If you apply too much of each of the base coat, color gel, and top coat, the result will be a thick finish. Also, applying too much can lead to the nail spilling out from the base of the nail, or it can leak out to the sides while applying other fingers. Or the gel can flow and create gel puddles. Or the gel can get on your skin, which can cause gel allergies. There is nothing good about applying a lot of gel like this. So, as a basic rule when applying gel, it is best to take a small amount and spread it out. The optimal amount to apply at one time varies depending on the size and length of your nails. So, if you find that your nails tend to look thick and fat when applying gel, try taking half the amount you usually use and applying it. Unlike nail polish, you can reapply gel as many times as you want until you expose it to the light. Nail polish dries out quickly from the moment you apply it, so if you add more nail polish and reapply it, it will become uneven and messy. But with gel, it will not become messy even if you apply more. So, try applying half the usual amount to your nails. And even if you find that you can't get it all on, you can just add more gel little by little. Considering the disadvantages of applying a lot at once, there are great advantages to applying less. If you find that your nails are thick and fat, try to apply a small amount of gel first. Next, the second reason. The second reason why nails look fat is that the gel flows and accumulates. Gel puddle is caused by applying too much gel, which was the first cause. If you apply too much, the gel will flow to one side while you're applying it to the next finger. And if you use a light to harden it as it is, only that part will look thicker. In particular, if the gel flows to both sides, the width of the nail will look wider, and as a result, the nail will look fat. Also, if gel accumulates at the tip of your nail, only the tip will appear thick. Therefore, just like the first course, the basic approach is to apply a small amount of gel first. However, if you are an advanced gel nail artist and want to make the shape of your nail smooth, you may need to apply more gel. In such cases, after applying more gel, and then turn your hand over to let gravity help prevent the gel from pooling. This will prevent the gel from flowing to both sides of the nail, and you can quickly create the ideal shape. By smoothly finishing these two curves, the curve when looking at the nail from the side, and the curve when looking at the tip, your nails will be more resistant to impacts. By turning your hand over, you can instantly create this smooth curve, so please try it out. Finally, the third reason. The third reason why your nails look fat is that before you apply gel, the shape of your natural nails is already looking fat. This is not due to the amount of gel or the way you apply it, but rather the shape of the tip of your nail. What I mean is, look at this nail first. The right side looks slender, but the left side looks fat. The reason for this difference is this pink part. This part is white, which makes the nail look fat. Therefore, by filing it so that it becomes thinner as it goes towards the tip, you can make the nail look slimmer. People with wide nails or small nails tend to look particularly chubby. So by shaping the tips of the nails sharply, you can make them look slender. What did you think of the tips to make your nails look slim? By not applying too much gel, turning your hand over, and filing the tip of your nails sharp, you can prevent your nails from looking fat, so please try it out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.